This is a front seat cover kit for the Jaguar XJ6 4-door coupe version. It's worth bearing in mind that these XJ6 seats had a couple of different variations related to the pleat sizes here. As mentioned in other videos, you basically had these wide pleats which were about 2 inch, or you had narrow pleats which were about 1 inch. And then in addition to that as well, you had plain as per these ones, or the embossed pattern on them. So see our other videos and website for more details on that, but these are effectively the 2 inch plain versions. These have been done in parchment to OEM spec, meaning that majority leather, so that all the top parts here that you actually sit on are leather, and then these surrounds here and the retainers and the back elements there are vinyl. We can also offer a full leather version if you want a more bespoke finish, so see our website and contact us for details on that. Starting with the seat cushion bases, the bit your bum goes on. So these are handed left and right, and it's all genuine tuck and roll pleats, as with all of our pleated seats. And you get this seam going from left to right on there as well. And you'll see from the underside here, you also get foamed up panels on the side things. Then you also get on the surrounds a foam padding sewn into the surround there. See, it's been labelled up as left hand, and that's the seam that goes from left to right across there that sits into the channel of the foam. On the backrest, very similar concept, obviously majority leather again. You again get this seam going from left to right along there. You get the chrome bezel for the headrest, which is fully inserted inside. If you look on the back here, the piping, you'll notice is actually a wider piping, which is original for these cars. Just bear that in mind. We go down to that detail on our kits of using the correct thickness of piping in the relevant areas. On the backs, again, you get side panels that are foamed as per original spec, and then you also get scrims sewn in which allow you to attach it to the seat foams and frames, etc. And then you also get some loose materials there for the back of the backrest, etc. Headrest we do sell separately, so just bear that in mind. Seat kits are sold as a kit like this, or they are all automatically included as part of the trim kit. See our website.